Hey, what's up guys, Don Apps here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can download YouTube videos from your video manager on YouTube Creator Studio. Now recently I've been actually trying to download videos myself, and every time I download a video, let's just click here, download MP4, you see it'll just download something called video playback and it never finishes downloading. Now that's of course not the video file I want. So how do we actually download the MP4? So in this case, we're just going to click on Command Option A on the keyboard. You do need to have developer tools enabled for that. So this little dialog box will pop up right here. Click on the drop down, download MP4. Then go to console right here and you'll see a link, the updated link. Click on that. And then it downloads a video and you'll save that as .mp4. There you go. So now we have successfully downloaded the video from YouTube itself. Let's just do that one more time. And this is a problem within Safari from what I have seen. Just gonna copy the title. Click download MP4 here. As you can see, a link did pop up. This is still trying to download video playback, but click on the link and we'll save it. So that is how to download videos once it does not play in or does not for some reason download in Safari. So that is how you do it in Safari from YouTube Creator Studio. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope this tip helped. Do subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next video.